Okay, All City Auctioneers here in Langley, British Columbia with another vehicle for our April 10th, 2024 online auction. We use the auction site there, bcsurplus.com. This is an estate vehicle. It's a Nissan Altima. I think it's a 2.5 something or other. I don't remember, and I don't remember the year off the top of my head. So I'll just kind of wander around the vehicle. Don't know a lot about these cars. They're an estate vehicle, so we don't get a lot of information from the family or the estate manager. This one here has probably been sitting for a while. Engine runs a little bit rough. Check engine lights on, stuff like that. We'll talk about that when we get there. 2.5S. There it is there, Nissan Altima. A little bit of damage there on the back corner bumper. Right here, rub marks there. Gas filler cap is a little bit damaged. Driver's side mirror has been taped back into place, so obviously hit something on this side, knocked that mirror off. There's some rub marks there and a little dent on that fender well. This looks a little bit loose, so definitely some things there. I've got the hood released so that I could pop the hood for you and let you listen to the motor. Tire is a little bit low on this side. That could be why the tire pressure warning light is on, but I don't know. I will probably end up having to put some air in that for you before I sell it. Let me go here. Interior's dirty. I mean, it's not perfect. It's not clean. It's, it's dusty. It's dirty. Like I said, the car's probably been sitting for a little while. We don't get a lot of information from the family or the estate manager. But there's no big rips or tears in the interior there. And same thing here, I think, yeah. Little big stain there in the center. Again, dust. There's some staining over on the far side there. So away we go. Let me grab the key fob here and push for the trunk. So trunk is fairly clean. There is some more staining in the corners though, but I mean, it's needs probably a good detail. We don't really do a big clean on these vehicles when they come in. We sometimes we'll wash them, maybe give them a vacuum. So again, there's that stain that I noticed on the other side. Looks like that's on actually the mat, so the mat could be replaced. There's dog hair inside, yes. Smells like dog in here. And as you can see, there's some dirt here right along the edge. So car's been sitting for a little while. So now I'll get in and let you listen to it. Staining on the floor here, driver's side. Quite a few options, It's got some steering wheel controls, push button start. Let me get in here, put my foot on the brake and press the button. It's one of those ones. Fires right up. It is a little bit loud. You can see the service engine soon light stays illuminated. The tire pressure thing is flashing. And obviously there's it's low fuel. 170,047 kilometers, so 170,047. And like I said, lots of options here. There's air conditioning, there's stereo, but we don't test any of that type of stuff. We drive them around our yard here. Windshield's got a big crack in it, but we drive them around our yard, and that way there, we can see if they go forward and backward, and this does go forward and backward. So just a sec, I'll let you listen to the motor. Okay, now I'll go out there and lift the hood for you. Yeah, she's got a little bit of a vibration, so I don't know if that's just a miss or just the fact that it's been sitting for a while, but definitely probably going to need a good tune-up on it. So, and of course it could have other repairs. These are sold as is, where is. Now I'll shut up and let you listen. Does sound a little bit loud though, so it might need some exhaust work too. I have no idea. Again, sold as is, where is, highest bid wins. This is selling on April the 10th, 2024 from All City Auctioneers in Langley. We have got a whole bunch of other vehicles and equipment included in this auction sale. Hope you get another buy-by auction. Highest bid wins.